Hey. Yeah, this how I'm feeling today. I ain't even know it was gonna turn out like this. Nevertheless, here we are. Yeah, I just came on to say hey and look at my hair. I'm gonna show you how I did it very easy. Y'all not gonna believe how easy this was. Y'all not gonna believe how easy breezy this was. Matter of fact, I did this because it's almost time for me to wash my hair and I needed a real cute bop real quick, and I was praying that this one worked out for the good of those that love the Lord. And as you can see, did that. Huh? Honey, it made me get dressed. I wasn't even dressed at first. I was just gonna do something and then do it. But then I did it because I was motivated. This is a half wig, y'all. I didn't know everybody was into the half wigs. Let me know in the comments how long you've been rocking half wigs, because we can get into these real quick bops. You should know that.
That's all you got to do is tell me.
Girl, can we get some more half wigs? Yeah, you sure can get some more half wigs. This one is Penny, I think. Not Penny. You and me, well, I was beside. Hey, half wigs every single day and night. Half wigs every single day and night. Y'all didn't even know that really was the original song, but then they was like, well, the children may not really know what the inspiration is from, so let's make it more just based around family instead of the half wig. But people don't know that. Honey, this is Miss Penny, and when I tell you this is as close to a plop on your head and going down there to Home Depot and get your doorknobs as you can get, huh? Baby, I'm ready to tear up those aisles at Home Depot because, honey, this is so cute. I'm like, girl, yes, Penny. And you know what? I've been sitting on this wig for a while. This wig been over here. I done had this wig for about a month now. And I was like, you know what? I need a quick little bop. Let me just do it real quick. Initially, this was going to be a voiceover video. I said, hold a minute. Boop. Snatch your back. Let me jump on real quick and tell my cousins about this good news. Okay. This wig is very light, airy. They did this. I like Penny. These curls are beautiful. Y'all look at this. I ain't lying. Look at these curls. Now, it's synthetic than a mug. But when you have synthetic, and I don't mean Barbie synthetic. I just mean it's synthetic, okay? When you have synthetic wigs, when it's down, out, and low, huh? You can buy another one for sure. With synthetic wigs comes synthetic wig prices, which generally are on the low. You see? Don't fret. God is not through with it yet, because when it starts to get ignorant, guess what I'm gonna do? I'm not gonna do it now because I'm feeling it. So that's how you really know I'm feeling it. But when it start to get ignorant up about the bottom of it, guess what I'm gonna do? You already know what I'm gonna do. You already know that. I might make it a little bang, but I don't know how it's gonna go down. Let me show you how easy this was. I just came on to say, hey, how your mom and them doing? Please tell my aunties and them I said, hey, I love y'all so much. Tell the babies. I said, hey, all the family. Y'all, you just never know till you throw a wig on which way it's gonna go. And I am pleasantly surprised, honey. These curls are too cute. Now, but you gotta take you a wide I'll show you. You gotta, tussle with it. It's cute out the box, but you gotta disrupt the curls. We don't want these curls to look like twins, okay? We want them to look like sisters who have different daddies. Okay, that's how we want these curls to look. I'm just saying. That's as far as hair goes, okay? That's how we want them, okay? We want them to have similarities, but they ain't all like that. So you get me? You understand? Okay. Don't get sedity in the comments. How about what? You understand what? Okay. I'm just trying to give the visual for it so people understand. Because somebody understood as soon as I said that. The one of y'all was like, oh, okay. Ain't that right? Just hit that subscribe button so you can join the family, join the fun, and you get more quick bops like this, because it's over with for these half wigs. Boy, I'm about to tear Amazon down for these half wigs. You hear me? I'm like, dang, I could have been bopped with this. I could have been stepped out with this. Hit that subscribe button. Let me show you what I did. Hold a minute, y'all.
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bush. You think success is an option? passion. I'm tryna get this poppin' like, woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like, woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Eat that, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours, boss. To the floor. It's my time. Hey. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. I'm still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like, woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season, like, woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours, boss. To the floor. Ooh, it's my time. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like, woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma